Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about licensing. A lot of our users confused about licensing, and they think that once license is expired, the software will stop working. This is not the case. The software will continue working as normal, but we will not provide you with any support or maintenance. So it is important to review the license on time and check license action is here to help administrators to do it in advance. So let me show its properties. So we have check days left parameter, which is set to 10 days. And if it is less than 10 days, it will send email to the administrator of the organization. So as you can see, the license has not expired, and days left until support's end is 317. I hope you'll find this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe, and as usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.